Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist you, it transforms how you get things done. So, I've been thinking a lot about productivity lately. Not just the usual tips and tricks, but the fundamental shifts in how we work. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist you, it transforms how you get things done. We're not talking about a simple chatbot answering a question here and there. I mean a complete overhaul of your daily grind, where the tedious, time-consuming tasks just disappear, handled intelligently in the background. It's a pretty compelling future, and honestly, it's closer than you think. In fact, for many people at the top of their game, that future is already here. Forget old productivity hacks. We're diving into 7 cutting-edge AI workflows that are secretly boosting top performers' output. You won't believe how simple it is to integrate these into your daily routine and see immediate results. These aren't just theoretical concepts. They are practical, actionable systems that you can set up today. Alright, first up, let's talk about automation. This is probably the lowest hanging fruit, but one of the most powerful. Think about the small, repetitive tasks you do every single day. Filing digital receipts, renaming files, moving data from an email to a spreadsheet, sending reminder notifications. Each might take a minute or two, but add them up over weeks and months, it's huge. Top performers recognize this time drain. They've declared war on it with AI-powered automation. Build simple if this then that recipes. For example, if a new invoice lands in Gmail, save the PDF to a specific Google Drive folder, rename it to a set convention, add a new row to a financial tracking spreadsheet. All of that happens instantly, in the background, like a personal admin who works around the clock. Sounds complicated? Secret. It's incredibly easy now. Zapier, Make, Notion, Slack, natural language and simple visual interfaces. No programming required. Just connect the apps you already use. One-time setup pays dividends forever. Start small. Okay, let's move on to the beast that is the inbox. For so many people, email is a constant source of stress and a black hole for productivity. The dream of inbox zero feels like a myth, but for the highest performers, it's a daily reality, and AI is their secret weapon. They don't just manually sort and reply, they've implemented an intelligent system that does the heavy lifting for them, transforming their inbox from a to-do list assigned by others into a curated list of priorities. The first layer of this workflow is smart prioritization. AI tools like SaneBox, the built-in features in superhuman Gmail, can analyze your incoming mail based on your past behavior. They learn who you reply to quickly, which newsletters you actually read, and which notifications are just noise. The AI then automatically filters your mail into folders like important newsletters later. This means when you open your email, you're only looking at the messages that genuinely require your immediate attention. The next step is summarization. This is a game changer. With a single click, it can generate a concise summary of the entire conversation, highlighting the key points, questions, action items. This is incredibly powerful for getting up to speed on a project. Then comes the drafting phase, and this is where it gets really impressive. Modern AI can analyze the email you've received and suggest several potential replies. They can be fully formed, context-aware drafts that match your tone and style. For a simple scheduling request, it might draft, "Yes, that time works for me." For more complex questions, it pulls relevant information from past emails or documents. You can then edit the draft or just hit send, cutting response time from minutes to seconds. This system turns email from a reactive chore into a proactive, efficient communication tool. Next up is a workflow that fundamentally changes how we gather and process information. Traditionally, research is a grind. You're jumping between dozens of browser tabs, sifting through search results, and painstakingly synthesizing everything into a coherent summary. Top performers compress this from hours or days into minutes using AI-driven research assistants. Think of these tools, Perplexity AI, Consensus, as supercharged search engines. Instead of a list of links, they understand natural language. Ask, what are the latest breakthroughs in battery technology? The AI doesn't just point to articles. It reads them, understands them, and synthesizes the information. You get a clean, well-structured mini-report with citations. You can click any source to go to the original paper or article. Speed and depth together. That gives you speed and synthesis with credibility. You can have a conversation with your research assistant. Ask follow-ups. Can you elaborate on challenges with solid-state batteries? Compare the MIT study with the one from Stanford. Context is preserved so you can drill down without leaving the interface. It frees your brain for interpretation and drawing unique conclusions. A top-tier research analyst on standby. valuable for students, executives, and content creators, helping you get to the core of a topic in minutes. In today's world, the ability to learn new skills quickly is a superpower. The old model of education is becoming obsolete. Top performers use AI to create personalized learning paths, tailored to your goals, existing knowledge, and preferred learning style. Imagine learning Python. Instead of a generic course, use an AI platform that builds a unique curriculum for you. It adapts in real time, offers alternate explanations, practice problems, and project-based assignments. It integrates with your calendar and nudges you with daily micro-learning. Khan Academy and new startups are adopting personalized features, making lifelong learning efficient and part of your routine. No more wasting time on what you already know. Every minute is optimized for maximum impact. It turns upskilling into a daily habit with real results. Workflow 5. AI Meeting Summaries. Meetings can be the most productive part of a day, or honestly, the biggest waste of time. People leave unsure of what was decided, who is responsible, and what the next steps are. Top performers deploy AI scribes into their meetings. Capture, summarize, turn into actionable tasks automatically. You invite an AI meeting assistant, otter.ai, fireflies.ai, on Zoom, Meet, or Teams, or use a desktop app to record in-person discussions. As the meeting happens, the AI is listening, not just making a verbatim transcript but understanding the conversation. Once it's over, within minutes the AI delivers a searchable transcript, a condensed summary, and extracted action items. Jump to the exact quote or topic you need. No more he said she said disputes. The tool identifies key topics, decisions, and action items, often with assignees and due dates. Those action items can be auto-synced to Asana, Trello, Slack, or your personal to-do app. A task assigned in a meeting can appear in your list moments after the call ends. This closes the loop on meetings, turning conversation into execution and accountability. Every meeting becomes a guaranteed productive session when you use AI to extract the signal from the noise. You get the core takeaways without re-listening or deciphering messy notes. Momentum converts into action, and that is a huge productivity multiplier. Workflow 6. Intelligent scheduling assistance. Scheduling meetings is one of the most frustrating admin tasks. The endless back and forth is a massive productivity killer. Does Tuesday at 2? No, how about Wednesday at 10? Now AI gives everyone the human assistant power. Clockwise, Reclaim.ai connect to your calendar and understand preferences. Set preferences. Prefer afternoons, 30-minute buffers, protect a 2-hour focus block each morning. When someone books, they see curated availability that fits your rules. Send a scheduling link. They pick a slot, the event adds to both calendars, confirmation is sent, and the email tennis stops. These tools also optimize the calendar you already have, shifting internal meetings to create larger focus blocks. It's like Tetris for your schedule. Small fragmented slots merge into meaningful focus time. This shifts your calendar from passive record to an active system protecting your most valuable asset, deep work time. It resolves conflicts, honors preferences, and makes collaboration frictionless, freeing you to actually do the work. Small change, profound impact on productivity and stress levels. Workflow 7. AI-powered brainstorming tools. Every professional occasionally hits a creative block. You just need a fresh perspective. Top performers turn to AI as a brainstorming partner. ChatGPT, Claude, and specialized mind mapping tools act as tireless collaborators. You can prompt, "Give me 10 unique ideas for a sustainable coffee marketing campaign." Instant ideas appear. Then you iterate, refine, constrain the budget, or adopt a persona. Take one idea and ask it to expand. Tell me more about the Urban Garden sponsorship campaign. Introduce constraints, ask for 5 budget-friendly variations, or ask it to think like a Gen Z creator. Use AI output as a catalyst, jumping off points that unlock new connections. Writers, designers, strategists, and developers use it to break through the blank page problem and inject novelty into their process. An infinite whiteboard with an infinitely creative partner, ready anytime. It makes idea work faster, more divergent, and ultimately more productive. So there you have it, 7 different workflows that are fundamentally changing the productivity game. Automating tedious tasks, taming your inbox, supercharging research, brainstorming. AI is offering powerful leverage. These aren't futuristic concepts, they're practical systems you can start building today. The real secret isn't just knowing about these tools, it's about the mindset. Ask, is this the best use of my human brain, or can a machine handle this? Shift from doing the work to designing the systems that do the work. That's the core takeaway. Pick just one workflow this week, just one. Maybe set up your first automation or try an AI meeting scribe. Integrate it, see the impact, then build from there. Small changes compound into massive results. Let me know in the comments which workflow you'll try first. I'm curious to see what you build. Share what you set up. We'll learn together. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.